Hello friends, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. In this video, we are going to discuss about how to find summary, key points, that is main findings and limitations of your research paper. So if you get these three things, it is very easy to make a literature review. So that will be helpful for you to make a better and comprehensive literature review for your research paper. So let us go on to today's video and explore that option in an AI tool. So and also discuss how to get better main findings of a reference paper, limitations of a reference paper, and also you can get the summary of the particular paper. So let us go on to today's video and explore that AI tool. So in order to do so, go to Google and type LMS Research Support. So click on LMS Research Support. This leads to the website. So here you can see AI chatbot. So in this AI chatbot, you can see different LMS AI templates. This AI tool is especially designed only for research. So summarizer, grammar corrector, paraphrasing, literature review, explain the table, generate MATLAB code, chatbot, blog article, detailed literature review, chat with paper, chat with PDF. So in order to get a summary, that is the key points and limitations of a particular paper, so you have to click detailed literature review. For literature review alone, you will be having 4 different templates. So click on detailed literature review. So it leads to the page here. So in this detailed literature review, you will be having 4 different options. Please add title of the paper, please add abstract of the paper, please add introduction part of the paper, please add conclusion of the paper. So in order to explore a paper, I am going to a random content. So this is the paper I have chosen now. So efficient placement of service function chains in cloud computing environments. So this is the title of the paper. So I am going to copy the title of the paper and paste here. So after that, you will be having abstract of the paper. So next thing is that you can copy and paste the abstract of this paper. Next one is that introduction part of the paper. So go to introduction part. So in this introduction part, you will be having this paragraphs. So introduction parts including your literature review. So copy and paste that introduction part of your paper. Next one, conclusion of the paper. So go to the conclusion section. So here you can see the conclusion of the paper. So copy this and paste in the concerned window, conclusion of the paper. So we have pasted the title of the paper, abstract of the paper, introduction of the paper and conclusion of the paper. After that, you can click literature review. So it will take several seconds to generate. So in this one, you can get the summary of the particular paper, key points, that is main findings of the particular paper and limitations of the paper. So let us see how it will generate a better content for you to make your literature review very easy. Yes, here you can see our literature review details are generated. So in this you can get the summary of the paper. So here you can see this, the paper discusses the problem of efficient placement of virtual functions for service function chains in cloud computing environments. The authors propose a novel approach called virtual network functions and a replica to address this problem. The VNFR algorithm aims to minimize this bandwidth consumption, energy consumption and SFC placement cost. The authors formulate the VNF placement. So like that, it will give you a detailed version, that is summary of the paper. So detailed summary of the paper, and also you can get the main findings of the paper. So here the main findings is the VNFRP algorithm improves load balancing by 80%. Next, VNFRP reduces network consumption by more than 54%. Next, VNFRP efficiently reduces SFC placement cost by more than 67%. Next, VNFRP provides a fast response time and rapid convergence, making it scalable for large networking environments. Next, as far as limitations of this paper is concerned, so you can see the paper does not explore the performance of VNFRP algorithm across different network architectures. Next, the parameters of VNFRP algorithm may need to be tuned for complete traffic models with more variability and uncertainty. The paper does not address the scalability of V and FRP for extremely large networks. So this is how you will get the summary, main findings and limitations of the paper. So this data itself enough to make a better literature review for your research paper writing. So like that, you can analyze your reference papers using this detailed literature review and make your research paper writing very simple. So this is all about this detailed literature review.